If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this where you share cool stuff, because you know YouTube be sleeping on this channel. Now today I'm going to be doing a dummy proof how to do a lineup. So if you don't know how to do a lineup, you're struggling to do it, you are afraid to do it, I'm going to make this as simple as possible. Now first, you got to look at your hairline. I just want you to take it in and see how it looks, see what you're working with, alright? So as you can see, my hairline goes up and back down. So this is not ideal. So if you have a hairline like this, you're gonna have a warm time, because this is gonna be a little bit more difficult than other people, because you wanna make sure that your lineup is as natural as possible, but this junk isn't natural at all, because it looks like this and we want it to be like this. First things first, you want to start at the middle, and then I would suggest you roll the blade over, hit, roll over, hit, roll over, instead of just going like this. And I would suggest you tilt your head at an angle so you don't lift up and then end up going like round. For the sides, I would suggest going at an angle. So I want you to look at how your forehead goes back and try to make a line parallel to that. Because remember, your forehead is not flat, so it's impossible to put a straight line on your forehead. So that's why I said tilt down and then roll the clipper across. And for the sides, make sure it's tilted at an angle, because if it's not tilted at the same angle as how forehead curves up, your side piece is gonna go slanted inwards. It's gonna look slanted from the front. So remember that. You're gonna slant it back. Let me take this junk off. For your C cups or your corners, whatever you wanna call it, this is what you're gonna do. You can go make straight lines, hit it like that or whatever, or if you have a beard, hit it like that, and then just make a little curve. Or you can do like this and just follow your eyebrows. Follow the edges of your eyebrows, and you will get like a perfect C cup. Got it? So if you want the ice picks, just go straight down, then go in slanted, come up, make a straight line, and then just attach it. Or if you can just make a curve if your hand's steady and you know what you're doing. For the back, simple, boop, boop, boop. It's a straight line, fairly simple. All right, so I'm just gonna do it. Just watch. And if for any reason your hairline is still messed up, or there's any patches or whatever, boy, don't be afraid to go back in with one of these right here and go boop boop, booty boop bop, boop boop, kablam. If it's necessary, like, don't do it for no reason, but if it's necessary, you know what it is. You already know what to do. Comment, subscribe. Mr. Jamaica Man out.